Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. A lot of people watched the last video and said they didn't fully understand how a pressure tank works, especially now that I've removed my old overhead tank completely. So today I'm going to explain step by step how the pressure-based water system works, powered only by solar. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We are growing from 6,000 subscribers to 10,000, and your support helps more Nigerians understand true off-grid living. How does the pressure tank work? Inside the pressure tank, there are two parts. An air chamber that's pressurized, and this is what we use to adjust the pressure right there, and a water chamber. As the tank fills, pressure builds automatically. My system operates between 40 and 60 psi. The system logic is this: as water is used, pressure starts to drop. So you see that dial, it starts to drop. As long as pressure is above 40 psi, the pump stays off. If pressure drops below 40 psi, the pressure switch activates the pump. The pump is inside this well. The pump builds pressure up to 60 psi, then automatically shuts off. So this is the pressure switch right here, is what turns the pump off and on. The pump only runs when pressure is low, not simply when a tap is open. So this was something that confused a lot of people. The pump only runs when pressure is low, not when we open a tap. Have you ever seen a pressure tank system like this in a Nigerian home before? Let me know in the comments, yes or no. So there's some confusion. PSI to bar, barometric pressure. So Americans are behind everybody else. They use PSI, Nigerians use barometric pressure, bar. So 40 PSI is equivalent to 2.76 bar, and 60 PSI is equivalent to about 4.14 bar. Most Nigerian homes operate far below this pressure, but with a pressure tank, my shower now feels like hotel showers, even though I'm 100% off the grid. Testing and fixing failure points. So this was a big one. During pressure testing, we had two failure points. At one point, there was no water in the house. At another, the downstairs got completely flooded. Another time, I wasn't able to take showers because I didn't have any water. But that's why we test properly. We found the weak areas, fixed them, and retested. Now the system holds pressure beautifully. Have you ever had a small plumbing issue that shut down your whole house? Share your experience. I want to read it. This is not a gadget. This is engineering. That's how lasting systems are built. Hot showers are now fully on solar. I've already taken multiple showers. No PHCN, no diesel, no gas. Just the SIG energy system, pressure tank, and a 3 kilowatt tankless heater running beautifully off the sun. Would you trust a solar-powered hot water system in your home? Or do you think it will fail when you need it most? Tell me in the comments. How water is distributed now. So let me show you. From the pressure tank, water is split into two lines. The house line, which is this one, serves the kitchen, shower, sink, and everything in the house. This line here, the external line, waters plants and washes the car. This goes along the wall and actually goes two places. So I have two taps outside that are served by this one line here. The house always has priority, of course, while the outside line never affects indoor pressure. So what does this mean for Nigeria? Well, solar is no longer just for lights and fans. Today, I have solar-powered electricity, cooling 24 hours AC, cooking my induction cooker, hot water, clean filtered water, pressure-based plumbing. Is Nigeria ready for fully off-grid homes beyond just solar panels? If yes, type yes in the comments. If no, tell me why. I have lived off-grid since 2016, and today I live with comfort, reliability, and peace of mind. No PHCN, no fuel, no gas, just engineering and sunlight. If you'd like to build your own solar-powered home, contact AWPS Renewable Energy Limited, the home of the 10-year warranty, or visit www.awpsre.com. Please remember to subscribe. We are pushing from 6,000 to 10,000 subscribers. Your support helps more Nigerians learn how to live properly off the grid. This is Dr. Solar signing off from Lagos, Nigeria.